Hello friends, welcome back. Wow, look at that friends. Lot of car. Wow. Just look, awesome color. Wow, yellow, red, blue, green. Lot of color car. Okay, let's see. This one is dump truck. Wow. Okay. Let's see next one. Wow, look at that friends. It's excavator. It's a loader car. Oh no, it's a loader car. Nice. Okay. Look at that friends. It's a dump truck.
Dump truck.
Are you ready? Okay. Nice.
Wow. It's a water trunk. Wow, look at that friends. It's truck crane. It's for construction work. Nice. Okay. This one is city bus. It's a blue color city bus, friends. Nice. Wow, friends, look at that. It's a transport car. It's a container. Wow. This one is fire service car. Look at that. Friends, it's a red color. Wow. Nice police. Bus. Wow, it's also fire service car. Look, just look, friends. So big. Okay, take it out and let's see. Yes, it's a monster truck. It's a monster. Car. Nice color. Okay, this is school bus. Look, Okay. Wow, look at that, friends. It's a luxury bus. Okay. Wow, friends, look, just yellow color excavator truck. Okay, nice. Okay, look at that, friends. It's a roller car. Wow, so cute. This one is zip car. Wow, nice looking. Okay, this one is tanker. Look, just friend.
And prioritize the safety of the crew. It is equipped with composite armor and advanced protection, communication, and intelligence systems. It has a range of 450 kilometers and can cross areas with water.
It's army tanker. Wow. Wow, this one is, look, just friend, it's yellow color. So cute. Okay, and then next one is luxury bus. Wow. Nice. And then this one is city bus. Okay, let's take next one. Next one is wheel truck. Wow. Thank you, friend, for watching. Please subscribe.